Hey everyone, we have this year's 2023 ALOX Limited Edition. It is the color Electric Yellow. And let me open this up. This year it's coming in the Classic size as well as the Pioneer X and the Hunter Pro, similar to the last couple years. They've done that. So you get the 2023. It's this yellow. I guess best way to describe it's a Mountain Dew yellow. What's the paper say? So, ALOX Limited Edition. That's not my language. Let's try this. Congratulations, you now own one of the new ALOX Limited Edition 2023. This is the 9th year. We are launching the ALOX Limited Edition pocket knives. Range includes Classic, Pioneer X, and Hunter Pro, just like I said. This year's models are characterized by electric yellow ALOX scales. The ALOX scales are punched from aluminum, embossed, anodized, and subsequent process. The anodizing creates a protective layer. Yay! Alright. So that's all good in the hood. They still similar to, I think, last year and 2021 box. It is the cardboard inserts. So gone are the stacked cardboard. A few years back they used to do foam inserts, so now it's all cardboard. The other thing I wanted to see is all the publicity photos. It reminded me of the Lime Twist Classic Colors Classic. So let's take a look. We'll give it a quick comparison, see how it compares. So, two of them next to each other. They are pretty darn close. The Lime Twist is got a hint more green in it, it looks like, but not a heck of a lot. They are pretty close to the same color, so you got to be careful when you're looking at eBay pictures. The 2023 will have 2023 on it. The other one will have Victorinox on it, engraved on the engraving plate. So you got a couple of ways to tell. But yeah, they are pretty close. I may have to run outside and see how they compare, but yeah, under the lights here in the shop, they look pretty darn close. This year's knife I snagged from Bone Oak Knives. Check them out for daily deals on Instagram, Facebook, all the usual places, their website. I'll throw the link in the description. And you guys have a great day. This is the 2023 Classic. Normal classic tools, file, blade, skizzers. Beep. So yeah, you guys have a great one. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.